It's so strange to think about, and sometimes you just don't wanna know about all the bullshit out there. Sometimes you don't wanna care. But then you think back and realize mistakes of the past that cannot be forgotten. We have to improve our generational demise, things that they don't televise. Cause we fight all our lives to get by, and most of them don't even try to find some meaning in it all. That's why we're all doomed to fall. Young and alive, we had no fear, no judgments